thick density, and then we are going to apply is good coat, not too thick, not too thin. And if you know exactly, as you see some of the designs, I did it here for you, and then some smaller and really simple here can be considered as just $5 for your clients' nails. And you can do some swatch like this at the salon and give your clients some really cool preference. And don't forget to apply the no wipe top coat. Oh, that's awesome, Alexander. Alex, thanks so much for tuning in, and you will love this kit. I can't wait to see your beautiful creation. So I'm floating the no wipe top coat on the top. This will be a great idea. I love this cute $5 nail arts. Give you some ideas. So if you are would like to introduce the crystal placement for your clients, you don't have to feel like it's hard to introduce. Hi Dom, how are you? Dom, say hello. Dom, say hello to you. So then I'm so excited with this one. It's gonna be a $5 nail arts. I'm gonna place this super cute, and this is so stunning. Is charms. It come from Glow in the Dark kits. And we have few kits left because today you are taking advantage of getting your free crystal trifecta. Is flew off the shelf. So I just want to come in and show you more detail because we did it planning to go back, and then we see Brazil's one of our Glitz brand ambassadors. She did really beautiful, gorgeous, and then Dom did 2 videos too. It's really cool and stunning. Check out their Instagrams, their videos for a lot of inspirations. Today's they did really cool, and I loving that tutorial. And then I'm gonna add is beads on. It's really cool. I scoop it out from the tray. You can see that I just moved the kits away so then it won't take too much. Is my focus on the kits.
And for the love of nails, check out our pinned comment. We have a sales going on with the kit exclusively to the sale. So you have about 4 hours left to grab the kit if you want one. Follow the link in the bio and it'll bring you direct there. Have fun.
Yep, it's right in under new arrivals or crystal kits. This is my favorite kits. A lot when you hear me say this is one of my favorites, but this kit is not one of my favorites. It's my favorite kits because it has everything I need. It has beads, it's hot charm, and then all the frames in there. You can use this whether you're using it for your nails or you are doing it for your clients, or you are doing is your press on for ship it out to your clients. It's gonna be is an ideas, and it's give you so many of idea for you to create this. So now this is considered could be really cool $5 nail art or $6 nail art. So a lot of salon doing is $6 or $5. So this is considered really cute and simple, but it's not too plain for your clients. So then the clients can get a taste of super cute crystal placement and charm and beads and frame. So happy with this. I am going to gear for 60 seconds and we move on to the next $10 nails.